Hello children, today I will be taking up selective numerical from book Selena of class 9 physics, and the chapter which I will be covering, numerical part which I will be doing today is of chapter 2, motion in one dimension. So we would be taking up exercise 2C, which is given on page number 55 of your book, Selena book. Now, before starting, we must know few things about this exercise. First thing is, we must know what are three equations of motion. So first equation says that v is equal to u plus at. Now what is this v? V is basically the final velocity, right? V is the final velocity. I will write here, v is the final velocity and u is the initial velocity, right? This is the initial velocity. S, second equation is S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now t is the time, a is the acceleration and s is the distance covered, right? So I will write s is the distance. Okay, now this thing, the third equation is v square is equal to u square plus 2as, right? Okay, now remember one thing, that whenever your body starts from rest, then you have to take its initial velocity equal to 0. This is quite important because this would be used again and again in the numericals. And when the body comes to rest, like when we apply brakes, so we know that the body will finally come to rest. So for that case you will take v equal to 0. What is v? V is the final velocity, right? So now first of all I will be taking up numerical problem number 12, which is given on page number 55 of exercise 2C. Okay, let us see what it is. Okay, question says that a body moving with a constant acceleration travels the distance 3 meter and 8 meter respectively in 1 second and 2 seconds. So it means you are being given with two distances 3 and 8, along with that you are being given with time 1 and 2 seconds simultaneously. You have to calculate the initial velocity. Initial means you have to calculate u and you have to calculate acceleration. So I will just write here what all things are given and we are going to solve that. So what it is, we will write S1 because I am being given with two distances, so I'll write S1 is 3 meter and similarly time is 1 second for distance S1. S2 is 8 meter and time with that is 2 seconds, right? We are supposed to find the value of u and a, right? How we are going to do it? See, we know, if you remember the second equation of motion, this one, s is equal to ut plus half at square. See, you will write s is equal to ut plus half at square, right? Since I am going to find my equation for s1 also, I am going to find the distance for s2 also. So here I am writing s1, okay? S1 t1 and acceleration will remain same, right? U will also remain same, so I will not put any 1 or 1 here because we know that the body will start with the same initial velocity. Bishop distance are different but initial velocity of the body will remain same, so that is why I have written only u. And acceleration, when a body is covering a certain distance, the acceleration also remains same until and unless we apply brakes, but it is not mentioned in the question and it is written that the acceleration is constant, so a will also be as such, right? So I'll put the value 3 is equal to, value of this is u into 1 plus half a हमें निकालना है and t is 1 square, right? Just solve it little bit. U into 1 is u plus half a. This is my first equation. right? Let it be first equation. Now I am going to write S for this, right? So I will write S2 is equal to again UT2 plus half AT2, I forgot to write one here, square, right? You put the value 8 is equal to U is constant into T2 is 2 plus half, A is again constant into T2 is 2, 2 into 2. Cancel out, you get 8 is equal to 2U plus 2A, right? What can I do? I can simplify this. I can take two constant, I can take 2 common from here. I can write it like this, right? You shift this 2 to this side, so you'll write 8 by 2 is equal to U plus A. Cancel out, you have 4. So my equation of this becomes 4 is equal to U plus A. This is equation number 2, right? This is my equation number 2. Now I am going to put the value of 1 into how? See, from here I can find the value of U. How? See, अगर आप ये number इधर shift कर दो, you will have 3 minus half A is equal to U, right? Again I am having U here in this equation. So instead of U in this equation, I can write 3 minus half A. So I will write like this. What I will write? I will write it here only, right? I will write 4 is equal to, instead of this U, I will write this U की जगह 3 minus half A plus A. ठीक है? Now you shift this here, so you will have 4 minus 3 equal to minus half plus this. ठीक है? This becomes 1. So I am writing it here again. 1 is equal to, I am left with minus half A plus A. Right? You take LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 would be 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 into this is again minus A plus 2 divided by this is 2. 2 into A is 2A is equal to 1. Right? I am left with this. So now I get 1 is equal to. On solving this, you get A by 2. So your answer would be, you shift this 2 here. Your answer would be 2 meter per second square. So this is the value of acceleration, right? And now A I have found, so you just put this value of A in this equation, right? From here you can find the value of U. So वो क्या आएगी आपके पास? 3 minus half. A की value अभी आपने निकाली, it is 2 meter per second square. So this is into 2. Cancel out, you will have 3 minus 1 equal to U. So it means your U is also 2. My answer is 2 meter per second. This is the value of U, right? So I hope this will be clear to you. Okay. Now I move on to one more question, and rest I will take up in the next video. So the next question which I am taking now is question number 13. Right? 13 states that a car travels with a uniform velocity of 25 meter per second for 5 seconds. Right? The brakes are then applied. मतलब यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी कवर करने के बाद आपने ब्रेक्स लगा दिए, ठीक है? तो इसका मतलब ये जो चीज़ आपको दी हुई है, दिस इज़ बेसिकली यू, क्योंकि पहले कार इतनी वेलोसिटी से ट्रैवल कर रही थी एंड देन आफ्टर अप्लाइंग ब्रेक्स इट रिटार्डेड का मतलब क्या हुआ? उसकी डी एक्सेलरेशन हो गया. डी एक्सेलरेशन कब होता है? व्हेन वेलोसिटी डिक्रीजेज विद टाइम, राइट? एंड कम्स टू रेस्ट. तो कम टू रेस्ट का मतलब क्या हुआ? आपकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी, you know, if you remember this thing, I have told you this thing, when the body comes to rest, v becomes 0. So in this case your final velocity would be 0. ठीक है? Now they are saying comes to rest in further 10 seconds. मतलब जब आपने ब्रेक लगाया, ब्रेक लगाने के 10 सेकेंड बाद तक बॉडी रेस्ट पर आई, ठीक है? So what you are supposed to find? First part, the distance which the car travels before the brakes are applied. Second part, retardation, and third is the distance traveled by car after applying the brakes, right? These three parts we are going to find. So let us start. I'll just write what all things are given to me. So in question number 13, what is given? U is given out to be 25 meter per second, right here. Time for that is 5 seconds, right? Now see, the thing is, you are supposed to find the distance which the car travels before the brake is applied. Retardation, ठीक है. रिटार्डेशन देखो कब लगेगी, जब आप ब्रेक लगाओगे तभी रिटार्डेशन स्टार्ट होगी, ठीक है. तो पहले आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ रिटार्डेशन, ठीक है. तो वो हम कैसे निकालेंगे, जस्ट सी. जब आपने ब्रेक लगाई, ब्रेक कब तक रेस्ट पे आई बॉडी, तो आई विल राइट 10 सेकेंड्स पे आई है रेस्ट. द टाइम इज़ नॉट 5 सेकेंड, क्योंकि 5 सेकेंड के लिए तो बॉडी वॉज ट्रैवलिंग इन अ यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी, ठीक है. यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी पे था, तो तब बॉडी रेस्ट पे नहीं आया था. रेस्ट पे कब आया, व्हेन यू अप्लाई ब्रेक्स, और आने में उसको 10 सेकेंड्स और लग गए, ठीक है, फॉर स्टॉपिंग. सो आई विल राइट टाइम 10 सेकेंड्स है. एंड येस, बिकॉज यू अप्लाइड ब्रेक, तो ये आपकी वैल्यू 0 है, ठीक है. नाउ वी नो दैट v इज इक्वल टू u प्लस AT, राइट. तो फ्रॉम हेयर आई कैन फाइंड माई वैल्यू. v इज 0, u is 25 plus a, I don't know, 10 is the time for which you apply brake and body comes to rest. So I'll shift 0 minus 25 is equal to a into 10. So this is minus 25 is equal to 10a. A is nothing but minus 25 divided by 10 minus 2.5 meter per second square is the retardation, because my answer is coming in negative, right. Now they are also asking me two distances. एक तो वो distance बताना है ब्रेक से पहले का, and the third part states that वो distance आपने बताना है जो कार ने कवर किया after you apply brake, ठीक है. So now what we will do, we are going to find the value. First of all, we know that basically speed is nothing but distance upon time, ठीक है. Also if you remember, velocity is also nothing but displacement by time, ठीक है. यहाँ पे जो displacement और distance है वो सेम ही है. क्यों? क्योंकि we have been given with the direction that body is moving forward and you apply brakes और वो बंद हो गई, ठीक है, it stopped. So I will just write the value. जो मेरी initial velocity क्या थी, this is 25 is equal to डिस्टेंस, ये मुझे पता नहीं है, ठीक है. टाइम, कब तक यूनिफॉर्म ट्रैवल कर रहा था, जब आपने ब्रेक्स नहीं लगाई थी. 5 सेकेंड पे आपने ब्रेक्स नहीं लगाई थी, बिकॉज 5 सेकेंड्स में बॉडी वॉज ट्रैवलिंग विद अ कॉन्स्टेंट वेलोसिटी, राइट. सो यू जस्ट शिफ्ट दिस थिंग हेयर. तो आपका डिस्टेंस क्या आ गया, इट इज़ 125 मीटर व्हेन नो ब्रेक्स वर अप्लाइड, राइट. नाउ द थिंग इज, द थर्ड पार्ट स्टेट्स दैट द डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड बाय कार आफ्टर अप्लाइंग ब्रेक, ठीक है. तो इसका मतलब अब हमें एस वो वाला निकालना है जब आपने ब्रेक लगा दी. सो इन दैट केस रिटार्डेशन विल कम इन टू प्ले. सो वी विल राइट एस इज इक्वल टू, मुझे एस निकालना है, यू टी प्लस हाफ AT स्क्वायर, राइट. सी देर इज़ वन मोर इक्वेशन, v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर प्लस 2as, राइट. यू कैन अप्लाई दिस ऑल्सो, ठीक है, क्योंकि v भी हमें पता है, दिस इज 0, u भी आपको पता है 25, A2 you know, A also we know, S we can find out, but I am applying this equation, so I am going to do it according to this equation, right. So now you just put the value, S is equal to, in this equation S is equal to 25 into time is 10, क्योंकि आपने ब्रेक्स जो हैं वो 5 सेकेंड्स के बाद, मतलब 10 सेकेंड्स पर गाड़ी रुक गई, तो आई विल टेक दैट टाइम जब गाड़ी रुकी है आफ्टर अप्लाइंग ब्रेक्स प्लस हाफ इंटू A अभी आप निकाल के हटे हो, दिस इज माइनस 2.5, राइट, इंटू S आई डोंट नो, नो सॉरी T square, आई एम यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. T square is what, 10 into 10, 10 into 10. Do the cutting, right, you will get 250 after solving this. Okay, यहाँ माइनस है, यहाँ प्लस है, so my answer will be in minus itself. After solving 2.5 into 5, it would be 12.5, right. 12.5 into 10 करोगे तो 125 आएगा, and you subtract this, you get your answer, right. So this is the distance traveled by my car after applying brakes 125 meter. ठीक है, so I hope this is clear to you and I will be covering few more numericals in next video. Thank you for watching.